Today we're going to review this Bauer impact wrench. 8.5 amp, 2600 RPM, 1/2 inch, heavy duty, corded, 1050 bolt breakaway. It's hardcore. Okay, so it's the 1882e-b. Let's see what is inside. Okay, it comes with just the impact driver. It does not come with a labradoodle or a knife.
No labradoodle.
That's all it has, is just the driver. Alright, let's test it out. Okay, so I got a bolt here that's seized up in a motor mount. It's the whole reason I bought this thing. I've been having problems with bolts like this. Let's see if this thing can handle it. Hopefully this will save me from all this aggravation I've been having. Let's try it out. I'm gonna wear a safety mask. This just goes right in, 1/2 inch. There we go. Oh, it came right out. Well worth the money. So the main reason I bought this Bauer was to see if it can remove lug nuts from my truck. This is the GMC Savannah 3500. There's really not much more I have to say about this Bauer. If it can do this, then I'm happy with it. And you know, there's not a lot of complexity. But let's find out, see if it works. That's reverse. That's forward there. Doesn't get much more simple than that. R and F. Oh yeah. Okay, so this review is very quick because there's not a lot to say. This thing has all the power I could ever need. It takes apart lug nuts off my truck. It helped me take apart my exhaust that had frozen exhaust bolts. It just virtually has all the power I could ever want and more. Honestly, it has more power than I need. But the other thing I like is that it's corded. Because it's corded, I do not need an air compressor. That's a big selling point for me. Some people prefer batteries. I do not. I don't like charging batteries. Batteries in general, you have to replace them every so often. They're expensive. I'm just not a big fan of battery powered tools. I prefer corded. That's just me. The only thing I don't like about it, I would say, is I guess I wish it was smaller and could fit in hard to reach places. But you know, you have a big electric motor for a reason. It's powerful. So I highly recommend it. I would definitely buy another one. I mean, if something happened, like I ran it over with my truck or it got stolen, I'd buy another one. That's pretty much the end of the story there. I love it. So far, I've had this thing for a couple months now, so it's held up to a lot of abuse, and you can tell by looking at it, probably that I've been using it a lot. If you have any questions, let me know. Just put it in the comment section. Alright, thanks for watching.